outlining your speech is next important step in speech writing process. An outline will help you to organize your thoughts and ensure that your speech flows smoothly from beginning to end. There are certain tips for outlining your speech. First is start with an introduction, then divide your speech into main points, use transitions, write a conclusion, review and revise. We will discuss each of these points one by one. First is start with an introduction. The introduction should be such that it should grab the attention of your audience. It should provide some background information about your topic and a preview of the main points that you will be discussing. Next point is we should divide our speech into main points. These points should support the central message. Pay attention to any supporting evidence or examples. Next, we should use transitions to link the different points or sections of the speech together and to ensure that speech flows smoothly. Next point is write a conclusion. End your outline with a conclusion that gives a summary of the main points. Your conclusion should be strong and memorable, and it should leave a lasting impression on your audience. Next, review and revise. Once you have completed your outline, review it and revise it as necessary. Make sure that your outline is clear, concise, and well structured, and that it accurately represents the message that you want to convey. By outlining your speech, you will be able to write a speech that is well organized, persuasive, and memorable. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.